welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the week of the 17th of January to the 24th of January 2021, and I will be using this kit from Simply Gilded. I believe it's Summerwashed Paradise, the name of the kit. It came on the subscription box and it's very, very colorful, very beautiful. It has hollow foil, but that's okay. So that's one of the pages. That's the second page. And finally you have this third page here. To pair that, I will use these two washi tapes that came with the kit. So you have I think this one is from another kit, but this one is definitely from that one. But yeah, I'll be pairing these because Simply Gilded kits don't have the washi strips, and of course I will be using the Penguin Plans scripts this time around. Yes, they are mostly gold foil, but I don't mind mixing foils. But there's also the rainbow foil that I may or may not use, so we'll see about that. She has this beautiful green foil as well as this beautiful blue one, so I'm definitely using those. And I'll mix the green, this little freebie sheet, and I'll also mix some of the gold because I can. So let's get to it. Right, so the first thing is always to put down my washi, and this time I'm using the washi that came with the kit. It has this beautiful, I don't know what kind of pattern it is, but it reminds me of Greek islands for some reason. And then the wave green washi with hollow foil. So here I do both sides up to Friday, and because the weekend is stacked, I just put down the 10 millimeters on Saturday and Sunday just to give that little bit of decoration, but not cloud or clutter the spread too much, because otherwise I can't actually put the things down that I need to do on the weekend. And with this planner I have been using just full boxes up to Friday as well, for the same reason, because my weekends are busier, or at least I have a lot of things to do on the weekend, and I unfortunately I can't use the full boxes and have space to actually write down all the things that I need to do. So that's why I'm using less full boxes, but it's working fine so far. So I put down all of my full boxes, and I put down as well this washi from Simply Gilded. It did not come with the kit, I think. It didn't come with the sub box, but it's a green foil that matches, a green washi that matches the spread and the colors very well. It's not hollow, but it's silver, so I just went with it. So I'm putting down the perforated washi as some sort of header, decorative header, and then I put down all of the date covers, and I should have whited out the date, the words on the inserts, but I was lazy, to be honest. Anyway, on Monday I put down a heart that came with the kit and used down the coffee script from the Penguin Plans and put down coffee, and then I wrote down Monday. So this foil is the green foil that she has. It's an emerald kind of green foil, and it's really, really pretty. If you're into different color foiled and you're in Australia, or even if you're not in Australia, just check her out on Instagram. It's the Penguin Plans on Instagram, and she is opening her shop, I think, on the 31st of January, so very shortly. Then I put down a drink that came with the kit, and I used the drinks to mark down work because I didn't want to pull out anything more than the kit, and I still have a lot of leftovers from the kit. Anyway, I marked down the work with the blue foil that she sent to me, graciously sent to me, by the way. Thank you. And I just wrote down from home because that's where I'm based at the moment. Put down clean cat litters. She made this sticker specifically to me, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's in gold foil, and I didn't think that mix matching foils on this spread would be a problem, so that's what I did. Put a half box or a quarter box down to mark it was game night, and then I had to change things around a little bit because I forgot the spacing correctly. And one was for bean night, which I use a flag from the kit, and the other is a circle icon from the kit to mark down what I had for dinner that day, which was pizza, which was delicious, and it was a new recipe that I was trying out with Alfredo sauce. It was just so good. It was better heated up the day after, but at the same time I was a little bit heavy-handed on the toppings, and one of the toppings was kale, and I put too much kale, but that's okay. I'll survive. It was really good. At the end, it was really good. On Tuesday, I put down a today header from the kit, and again marked down my work with the icon, the drink icon. I used the Crafty Banana pen, that icon, that sticker. It came on a freebie from the Crafty Banana, one of the orders that I made, and I just thought it was really fitting for the things that I had to do on that day. So I had some things at work that needed to be done, and I could not let it go to be done on another day. So I wanted to mark that down on my planner to make sure that I got it accomplished. I mean, if it's on your planner, you have to do it, right? At least that's what they say. And that's what I do. Something else that I also did this time was using the deco pieces that came with the kit to mark down things like water plants. So I did use a little monstera leaf. I think that is a monstera leaf, to mark down that I needed to water my plants. I also got back into watching more series. I stopped for a little bit. I'm a little bit like that. So I start watching, let's say, a TV show. So I watched all of that, and then I start another one and go until I get tired, and then I change to another medium of entertainment. Like I read or I listen to audiobooks for 2 months in a row. I listen 8 hours every day, and then I change mediums again. So right now I started back into watching TV or watching series, and I'm finishing Criminal Minds. I've been binge watching it for all seasons for 2 months or 3 months now, and I'm on season 10, if I'm not mistaken, 10 or 11. So I have 4 more to go, but that's okay. And I marked it down with this cute little character from the Sakura Moki design. And she's the same company from Australia that did my white dividers for my personal planner. So if you're curious about that, check my Instagram. The handle is on the description of this video. Wednesday, work from home again. It was payday, which is always a good thing. I used script from Rose Color Days that I had as a leftover, and to mark down clean litter trays, I used the flag from the kit. Next, I used a sticky note sticker from a freebie by Planning Like a Pro, and a little emoji from Helen from the Coffee Monsterz Co to mark down that it was also pay credit card day, because it is around about the same day of the month that I usually do. Used a home from the Graceful Planner. It's a clear sticker to mark down that I needed to call my mom, and again put down some of the things that I needed to finish for my game. Thursday was work from home once more, and I marked it down the same way. For grocery shopping, I did something different. So I put down the icon for grocery, which is from Tasseled Planner, which is no longer a shop that is open. And the kit had a header as grocery, but I didn't want to use the header as a header because it was going to be really cluttered. So I cut it down both sides to make some sort of layering. And I don't know how it looks on video or on photos, but for me personally, it looks really nice. I really like that. Used a bow from the kitchen markdown that my Giglio undyed 30 millimeters XL. I think that's what they call medium XL. My Giglio Campagna medium XL was shipped and was dispatched, and that was so exciting. I still have it on a box while I'm doing this voiceover. I need to spray it, but it's been raining, so I haven't got to that yet. Water plants again marked with a little leaf from the kit. And once more, I used another sticky note sticker to mark down things that I wanted to do on my social media, which are, pictures for Instagram, stories on Instagram. And I also wanted to promote my previous plan with me that I will link for you down below or on the screen. And you can check that out. Friday was work from home again and clean litter trays day, because I am that much of a person that do different things every day. Obviously, I don't like routine, so I'm always marking down the same things. I adore routine. I like to have a schedule. I like to have things done at the same time, on the same day, the same way. I'm boring like that, but it works for me and it keeps me functioning. Chaos is not very good for my mental health. Besides that, I also used another Graceful Planner sticker, but this time in gold foil, to mark down that I wanted to clean my office or clean my desk table. My dining table is where I'm working from home at the moment, and it was just a mess. I had things all over the place, and I really needed to declutter the space and be ready for a good weekend without having to think about the mess. On the evening, or on the lower part of my spread, I used a movie marquee. I believe this movie marquee is from Scribble Prints Co. I used a lot of leftovers and freebies on this spread. I did use a freebie from Helen to mark down that what was on the menu that day, and again it was my Alfredo's pizza, and it was beautiful. Mark down my Criminal Minds watching, and actually I'm on season 12. And I also marked down that I received some happy mail, which was all of those beautiful foils that you've seen throughout this spread from Nikki, who is the Penguin Plans. So yeah, that was my Friday. On this Saturday, I did something that I've been meaning to do with this spread for a while now, but I completely forgot the other days because, end of the year, holidays and all of that. But now that I'm back to work and I have this settled routine, it helped me remind that how I wanted to work on my Saturdays, especially because that's when the cleaning happens. So I put down a sleep-in sticker, and when I mean sleep-in, I slept up until 7 instead of 5 when my cats usually wake me up. I put down a header from the kit that says cleaning day, and I also used full box from Crafts by Thawoie that has a weekly cleaning schedule. So it has wash and dry, clean bathroom, clean kitchen, vacuum, organize, and floors. And it's such a good full box. I'm thinking about doing some for myself the same way that this one is made, of course, with different scripts and different icons and a different placement, because it's not always that I organize, it's not always that I do the floors, but I always have a schedule for cleaning something on the weekends. So instead of using several scripts like I usually do, I can just make one full box that will work for my schedule, or 2 or 3 different full boxes that will work for my schedule, my cleaning process, and always have that at hand to use it. Of course, it's not going to be as beautiful because I don't have that much talent with silhouette, but it's something that I can make for myself that will work for me. Anyway, Sunday it was sleeping again. It was laundry day. I finished laundry and then I filmed my previous plan. Sorry, I filmed this plan with me. I tried to edit, to do a voiceover, which didn't really happen, but I did take pictures. I also meal planned and I had some planning time, and meal plan and planning time are things that I'm using from the kit from Simply Gilded. And that is my spread. That's it, everyone. That's the spread. It's hollow. It's a lot for me. This is way too much. But I knew it was gonna be like this when I got the kit. When I selected the kit to use for the following year, I usually do it at the end of the year. So when I put it to the 3rd week of January, I knew it was gonna be so much. But it doesn't look bad at all. It really doesn't look bad. As you can see, I'll wiggle for you. The foil from the penguin plans look absolutely amazing. The blue just matches the whole spread. And it's a mix and match foil. It's a mix and match of samplers and a lot of other things that I used. I also absolutely adore this little guy here from the Sakura Mochi plants. She's the same shop that does my dividers for my planner, which are these white dividers. I absolutely love them. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, wear a mask, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.